Welcome to Lollyland and welcome to Duffy's Tavern. This was my grandfather's favorite burger on the island, and we've grown to love it as well. Last year we didn't go eat inside, but this time we're gonna attempt to because there's not too many people here. Let's go into Duffy's. Can't get a hot dog.
I need to try a hot dog at Duffy's. I know they're famous for the burgers.
You had the burger last time. I'm going cheeseburger, no onions. They don't have fries here at Duffy's. They have chips, but look, on the back here, you're supposed to get that. But wait, hold on. Michelob Ultra Draft mug is $2. Get me a beer.
Homemade potato salad or coleslaw?
I think we had that last year. Remember the potato salad?
Alright, so we're doing...
It was onion. There were onions in it. And I love the vibe in here. Proper Duffy's video in honor of my grandfather. Mikey's up there gonna order us our food. Very simple here, guys. When my grandpa used to come here, he'd just get a burger, a mug of beer, and that's exactly what I'm doing. A Michelob Ultra mug, $2. I'm fascinated. You going after all? I thought you wanted Diet Coke. What'd you get, Michelob?
This is why you come to Duffy's, right here.
Oh, nothing is better than cold beer in a mug. What kind did you get?
I got Busch Light.
Oh, okay. Cheers. I swear every time we come into a place we clear it out. They're like they're here. Okay, cheers to Grandpa. It's what we needed, right?
Yeah. That's yours.
It's here. Okay.
Right.
You guys do ketchup or mustard on your dog? Oh my god! Pickles for every bite.
Pickles for these. Put it on a potato roll.
She's gonna like this hot dog. For you, Grandpa. Mikey's just getting into pickles.
Oh my god. This hot dog. Whoa.
It's so simple, guys. No fries here. They sell chips.
Hot dog on a potato bun is my favorite, and they grilled it too. Like they grilled the potato bun.
Grilled bun does it. Everyone tell him to put his pickles on. It's so good. It's just a good burger.
Best combination ever.
It just works. So many pickles. It's such a good burger. I just keep saying that, but it is. Grandpa, if you're up there in heaven, we're looking down. Every bite's for you. 2 p.m.-ish.
Every bite is so good.
Do you like it with the pickle?
I'm getting there. I'm not all the way there yet.
Have a good one. Thank you. So there's some more seating in here. Oh. Should win everything.
So we're so happy we finally got to eat inside at Duffy's this year, and it did not disappoint. The beers were ice cold. I got the burger and the hot dog. Lolly got a burger. What'd you think?
They layered the whole thing with pickles. I was thrilled.
It was amazing. Thank you to Duffy's for being so awesome again.
And what'd your wife do the whole time in there?
Cried.
Just nod her. Oh, I can't.
So thank you guys. Thank you everyone at Duffy's. We'll see you again next year, I'm sure.
It's just,
if we don't come back again tomorrow.
It's just good.
Yeah. Very good.
It made me emotional.
Good place. If you're cruising along Gulf Drive.
Nope, Marina Drive.
Marina Drive.
Right past the Domino's.
Right past the Domino's, you'll see the sign, Duffy's Tavern. Stop in and have an ice cold frosty mug beer, get yourself a burger, get yourself a hot dog, and enjoy.
It does. So we're just leaving Duffy's, and what did you say?
The whole car smells like delicious Banyan coffee.
We bought coffee, like, you know, ground coffee to bring home, and it reeks in the car, but in a good way, right?
Yeah.
We are back at the Sun and Surf Beach Shop, aka the store with the birds. This is in the Island Shopping Center. This is also where the Feast is, and Decoy Ducks, and Small Town Creamery. You always have to visit the birds, if they'll let us. Sherford, hi! Hi, what are you doing? What, are you itching yourself? I think he's itching his little head. Hi, babe. Remember Mama? Remember Mama? What are you doing? What is he doing? Hi, Maxwell. Hi, honey. Hello. Hi, Bullwinkle, you pretty baby. Oh. Hello, pretty babe. Hi, Brutus. Good to see you again. Romeo's talkative today. Romeo. Hello. Oh, I remember Romeo getting freaky with the camera. Hello, Congo. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Congo.
Hi, Congo baby. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Ignoring me. Where? Oh, buddy, they're all cleaning their feathers. Hi, sweet Yosemite Sam. Hi, babe. Hi, Piglet. You being a good baby? Oh, little high-pitched squeak. Hi, Bailey. Hi, sweetie. Antigua. Hi, pretty lady. Jerry and Robin. Hi, little siblings. Hi, guys. It's the best store, isn't it? Stratford and I had a bond last year, so I'm glad I'm visiting him again. He's so cute. What's going on?
Say hello.
What's going on, big boy? Say hello. You're showing off for the camera. You showing off? You're showing off. Yeah, you're smiling. Hello, Romeo. You being good? Pretty babe. Oh, you are feisty. My babe. Reunited and it feels so good. Hello. I understand I talked to every single bird there, but they're so cute. Are we the only people that don't eat at the feast? We tried. We didn't like the food that much, remember?
Yeah.
What is scavengers? That's cute. Time for me to do some damage. It's my favorite store to shop in. I'm not gonna film, I just have a few t-shirts to buy. We're back. Old Hamburg Schnitzelhaus. It's nice and quiet in here. They just opened for the day. We are back again, guys.
One chicken, one veal.
What do you get, mashed potatoes?
Yeah.
It's the cutest restaurant. So this is our favorite restaurant on the island, and we've been doing takeout to bring it back to the condo each time, but I want to show you some of the decor around. You ready for some schnitzel?
Oh my god, round 2 schnitzel, I can't wait.
Everything's just so cute and charming. It is. It
I
is.
come in here and just like hang out and like have a few beers. I feel like around Christmas time. It would be
Yes,
great, right?
definitely. Schnitzel for you and schnitzel for me. Getting ready for that schnitzel.
Schnitzel time. Do we have utensils?
We'll find out. We'll eat with our hands if we have to. Oh, we're gonna miss the shopping center and the trolleys. We still have a full day, but this was the most important meal to get again, right?
Yeah, because we still have a few beers left to help me have to drink, so this will go.
That's why we're bringing it back so we can finish up our beers. Thursday night, getting ready for sunset from our condo. It feels so good out. We took a walk down the beach. Tomorrow's our last day. Thanks for watching Lollyland. This joined me the whole trip. Isn't that horrible? Oh my God. I did. I'm filming that. How hard did he just fart? Dude, we came home from the German restaurant.
It's so good we forgot to film it.
Did it taste good?
Oh yeah.
Schnitzel chicken. Not many colors tonight on a Thursday night, but it's still really, really pretty.